Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is day number 25th and this is Yoto e-bike Leopard I'm gonna ride today. So the challenge day 25th, 30 days, 30 e-bikes. This is a challenge. I continue. So it comes with truck run 1000 motor watt and it's 5 inches wide pedals. So we're gonna go today on this bike. Actually it's like monster. And I didn't ride it for a while, but we're gonna also test the speed. I pumped the tires because last time I think it was not fully pumped. It was maybe like 20 psi, so that may affect the speed as well. But today I not only pump the tires, but I also the seat or something cracking. I didn't use it for a while, so it's got dusty a little bit. That's why, yeah, I need to ride and check them out. It's really fast acceleration on this bike compared to fat tire bike. The weather getting better, so but we're gonna have rain again. So I'm gonna test it over here. And as always I'll put on pedal assist. I don't remember if it's, I think it can go up to the top speed on pedal assist level 1. Yeah, I should be. So it's 15 18 21 23 24 26 27 28, and I go with GPS 29, 30. So it's hit 30 with throttle only, which is not bad. I don't remember how much was last time, but depend on the level. So this is short road. I think I might try a longer one later, but on the short road it's reached 30, which is great for 1000 motor and fat tire, like 5 inches tires. And this is not bicycle for race or high speed. It's just actually for off-road. I think I need to, my seat I think is cooking, or I'm not sure exactly. I need to check, but not big deal. It was maybe need some lubrication. I think I rode it in the rain once. Oh yeah, I have it. Oh yes, I have it under the rain when I was recording the video. So maybe that's rear shock suspension. I'm not sure. It's kind of strange noises coming out, but the good about this bike, it's very comfortable. Even I put the highest psi, like almost like 27 28 psi, it can go up to 30. It's still really comfortable to ride on the road and good pedaling. It's a large bike, so it's great for somebody who is tall or maybe somebody who is 5'6" and up. It can fit probably the taller person, because you can also put adjustable steam, so the handlebar will go up. So this challenge about not only about specific bicycle, it's about riding me for 30 days, 30 different e-bikes. So this one is number 25. And yeah, I think I got cold, but I still decide to ride it, because I said before I will not miss, I'll try not to miss any day. So far I keep up 25 days, so I have 5 more e-bikes and to go. And then I'm gonna have more fun videos. I'm gonna ride, probably take I thinking to take the goat bike for long range test. So I need to see like, because since there's no pedals, I don't really want to stuck somewhere with that big bike. I know I can go somewhere and try to charge it, but it might take some time. That's why it might be a good idea for me to get the pedals attached to it. Another thing is to get second battery, which is, oh wow, there's a bomber or whatever aircraft on the flight. I think it's taking over there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Looks like it's USA bomber or whatever going. I'm not sure where it's going, but pretty large airplane. Looks like, yeah. Maybe it's took off from Oxnard or I'm not sure where it's, or maybe going to our airport somewhere. I have no idea. Yeah, we have too many airplanes recently around here flying. Yeah, this bike is very comfortable to pedal and going over the bumps like a tank. So about the ghost bike, so I might take a risk and go for a ride to check the. I can probably check. I know it's gonna be too long ride for me, but I believe it can handle about 35 to probably 40 miles on throttle only, as I'm riding only. As I'm gonna ride only throttle since I have no pedals. So I cannot cheat even with the bike, so there's no pedals. And they do sell with both, and I think it's gonna be price hike as of this video published. But I don't think they're gonna increase a lot. They usually increase about $50 or $100 only, which still makes this bike very good price as long as it's under 2,500. And you still have that 10% off with my code DAD, DAD. So that bike should be reasonably good priced, very well made. I like the way it's roll, it's very stable and so on. This bike actually one of the best off-road machine for me as well. It's very stable and handlebar handling very good on this bike as well. What I like about this bike particularly, it's not only 5-inch tires. This motor is very powerful. It's been uphill pretty well as well. Usually when you have fat tires like this, you losing the heel and like resistance, too much friction from the ground to tires, so there's a lot of resistance usually. But it was going uphill very good actually. It's this bike not as heavy because these tires it comes with, they're not thick, so they're kind of light tires. I know they're not the best. I got flat, I think, once I went to off-road riding. I got some nail in it, but luckily I came home and were able to put some slime in it, and now I'm still riding and have slime. I only have 28 miles on this bike, but the slime keep good pressure. So it's been like for over months since I put the air in it, and it was still pretty good. I just tried to increase to go faster to see how fast it can go, but usually I would have like about 20 psi on this type of bike on the rear and 15 on the front to make it softer off-road. This one is great for somebody who wants to go like for off-road, like hunting or anywhere, or on the beach or anywhere, because it's not only provide you very comfortable ride, but also this bike comes with this massive wheels and power, which makes much easier to go in a wood area or anywhere like for hunting for any adventure. But anyways, so, and the Zora bike, Master, the cargo, it has the same setup, the oil reservoir right over here, as you can see, and same brakes, same display, same throttle, same grips, I believe. Yeah, so it's really good quality, and good front fork. I think it's a pretty good brand. Let me, I don't remember the name. I remember it was RST guide, so it's pretty good fork for this budget bike. I mean, not, it's not like budget, but actually it's more like between premium, but the price is really good for this bike, and there should be extra discount. I'm not sure if it's still working. I didn't check for a while, but you may want to check in the description if you're looking for fat tire. Yeah, I like fat tires bike. It's softer, better, but again, it's a little bit harder to port them with you on the trip because they are larger. But I think if you remove the battery, this comes with 20 amp battery, which is large, so you can remove it and just use without like, so it will be much lighter to put on the rack. And I reviewed one of the rack I have. It's good for RV usually, because for the car I don't want to park outside, so, and I need to get my car back in garage, because it's been like I park sometimes I just remove some bicycles so I have some more space, sometimes not. So yeah, I need to get but again, that rack can handle this one up to 5 inches. So I tried it, it was fitting just fine. So you can find a rack easier. But I'm gonna probably, let's say, go around and try one more test. One more time from that way, and hopefully a stop sign will not be taken by other cars, so I can go through. But so far 30 miles, and I didn't change the battery since maybe over the month already, and I have 51.8 volt, or maybe 2 months ago I changed. I need to recharge it again probably. But if you ride the bicycle often, comment below how often, and if you want to join the challenge. Okay, let's go. How fast you can go on throttle only. 15, 17, based on GPS, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28. So I was going 20, very solid along the way. So with my weight on, without pedaling, that's what you will get, 30 miles an hour, which is really good actually. And what I like about this bike also, the motor will not make any strange noises once it starts to go to the higher speed, or when it's uphill. Some motors getting really tired from going uphill and start to make some noises or break down. So I use the same motor on the Zora Master bike, but that motor is only 750, which is lasts forever. Like, it's already 256. I mean, there's no problem with motor at all. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, like it and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye.